Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've covered the basics, let's jump into the step-by-step process of making your own pistachio gelato. Step-by-step preparation. Follow these steps for foolproof pistachio gelato with that irresistibly dense texture. Toast the pistachios. Spread raw pistachios on a baking sheet and roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes, just until fragrant. Let them cool, then blend into a fine paste. A food processor works best. Scrape the sides often for even grinding. Heat the dairy base. Warm the milk, cream, and half the sugar in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until just steaming, not boiling. Remove from heat before bubbles form. Mix the pistachio paste. Whisk the pistachio paste into the warm dairy until fully dissolved. This infuses the liquid with deep nutty flavor. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve if you prefer silkier gelato, but leaving it unstrained adds more texture. Chill the base. Let the mixture cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Overnight is better. This step is crucial. It develops the flavor and ensures a smooth churn. Churn like a pro. Pour the cold base into your ice cream maker and churn for 20 to 25 minutes until thick but still soft. Transfer to an airtight container and freeze for 3 to 4 hours for firmer gelato. Pro tip: for extra creaminess, press parchment paper directly onto the gelato's surface before freezing. This prevents ice crystals. The result: a rich, fragrant gelato with the perfect balance of sweet and nutty. No neon green dyes needed. Fresh pistachios give it that authentic taste and natural pale green hue. Pairing pistachio gelato with other flavors. Pistachio gelato's rich, slightly earthy taste makes it surprisingly versatile. It can stand alone or elevate other flavors, classic or unexpected. Whether you crave comforting combinations or bold experiments, pistachio gelato plays well with others. Classic pairings. Some flavors are timeless for a reason. They balance pistachio's nutty depth without stealing the spotlight. Dark chocolate. A drizzle of melted dark chocolate, 70% or higher, cuts through the creaminess with bittersweet contrast. It's like pairing a fine chocolate bar with roasted nuts. Almonds. Chopped toasted almonds add crunch and amplify the nuttiness. Try sprinkling them over a scoop for texture. Vanilla. Layer pistachio and vanilla gelato for a subtle, creamy duo. The vanilla softens the pistachio's intensity. Honey. A light honey drizzle enhances the natural sweetness without overpowering. Opt for mild honeys like acacia or orange blossom. These pairings work because they complement, not compete. They highlight what makes pistachio gelato special: its nutty, balanced profile. Innovative combinations. Feeling adventurous. Pistachio gelato shines with unexpected partners, from floral to fruity. Rosewater. A few drops of rosewater syrup adds a fragrant, almost perfumed note. It's a common pairing in Middle Eastern desserts. Citrus zest. Lemon or orange zest brightens the richness. Fold it into the gelato or sprinkle on top. Fresh berries. Strawberries or raspberries bring tart contrast. Their juiciness cuts through the creaminess. Salted caramel. The salt magnifies pistachio's savory side, while caramel adds buttery depth. Tahini. Swirl in sesame paste for a nutty, slightly bitter twist. It's unexpectedly addictive. These ideas aren't just for plating. Mix them into homemade batches or layer them in parfaits. Pistachio gelato's flexibility means you can tailor it to your mood, simple or bold. Where to find the best pistachio gelato? If you're craving pistachio gelato, not just any scoop will do. The best versions come from gelaterias that respect tradition, using real pistachios and time-tested methods. Here are the must-visit spots in Italy and beyond where the pistachio gelato is worth traveling for. Iconic gelaterias in Italy. Italy's gelato scene is legendary, and these shops take pistachio seriously. Many use Sicilian Bronte pistachios, grown near Mount Etna, for unmatched flavor and creaminess. Gelateria della Palma, Rome. Behind the Pantheon, this spot offers over 150 flavors, but their pistachio is a standout. Smooth, nutty, and just sweet enough. Gelateria Santa Trinita, Florence. Their pistachio gelato has a cult following, thanks to its rich texture and deep green hue from real pistachios. Omar, Palermo, Sicily. A local favorite, Omar's pistachio gelato tastes like Sicily in a cup, earthy, buttery and unforgettable. Grown nationwide. Known for organic ingredients, Grom's pistachio version is a reliable choice if you want consistency across Italy. These shops don't just serve gelato, they celebrate it. If you're in Italy, skip the tourist traps and head straight to these gems. Global destinations for pistachio gelato lovers. Great pistachio gelato isn't confined to Italy. Skilled gelato makers worldwide have perfected their own versions, often importing Sicilian pistachios for authenticity. Gelateria Gentile, New York City. Their pistachio gelato is so creamy it practically melts on your tongue. Made with Bronte pistachios, it's a taste of Italy in Manhattan. Grom, international locations. Yes, they made the list twice. Their pistachio gelato is just as good in New York or Tokyo as in Turin. Gelato Messina, Australia. Known for inventive flavors, their classic pistachio is simple, pure, and made with top-tier nuts. Amarino, Paris and worldwide. Their pistachio gelato has a subtle roastiness, perfect for pairing with a fresh macaron. Whether you're in a global city or a cozy neighborhood, these spots prove pistachio gelato has no borders. The secret: quality ingredients and a respect for tradition. Pistachio gelato is more than a dessert, it's a taste of Italian craftsmanship. Its rich, nutty flavor and velvety texture set it apart from ordinary ice cream. Rooted in Sicily and perfected over centuries, it's now a global favorite for good reason. Whether you track down an authentic gelateria or try making it at home with fresh pistachios, the effort pays off. Pair it with dark chocolate, citrus, or enjoy it solo. Each bite carries the warmth of Italian tradition and the thrill of pure indulgence. Now it's your turn. Grab a scoop, or better yet, churn your own. Once you taste real pistachio gelato, there's no going back. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.